Hey, and welcome to a new MovBoxx episode. Today, I want to show you how easy you can set up your plugin to add media files from almost any page you are with just one simple click. So, when you open up MovBoxx the first time, you see a small introduction. And if you follow it, you have an idea what MovBoxx is made for. And on the last screen, you will find all the browser plugins we actually support. And if you want to do it later, no worries, you can do it directly in your menu on the right. So for now, let's try the Chrome plugin. So the first thing you see is a small pop-up. Click on the Add button and you see the browser plugin directly appears on the right corner. And that's it. Now you can go to any kind of page with videos, music or slides provided by YouTube, Vimeo, TEDx, SoundCloud, whatever, and you see the plugin directly shows you that a media file was found. Choose a category, choose a channel and enjoy it on MovBoxx. And this is how easy you can add media files to your own channels to have access anytime, anywhere and on any device. Thank you and enjoy your MovBoxx.